How to export Lottie in After Effects. In this video, I will show you how to export a Lottie animation from After Effects. Lottie is a lightweight JSON-based animation format that works great for websites and mobile apps. So first thing you need to do is to go to the official website ascript.com or bodymovin.com, depending on which one you want. And the tool you'll need is called Bodymovin right here. It is a plugin for After Effects. You can just pretty much download Bodymovin zip file and install it. To install, open After Effects and then go to Window Extension or use the Adobe Creative Cloud app if you installed it through there. After installation, you can restart After Effects so the plugin loads correctly. Now open your After Effects project. Make sure your animation uses supported features. Simply just any shapes, text, and keyframes that are simple and works best for you. Keep in mind that complex effects or 3D layers may not export properly to Lottie. To export, go to the top menu and click Window, Extensions, and Bodymovin. A new panel will open there. In the Bodymovin panel, select your composition and choose the destination folder where you want the Lottie file to be saved, and then click on Render in the Bodymovin panel. After Effects will generate a JSON or JSON file. This is your Lottie animation. You can preview it in your browser or test it in the Lottie Files app or lottiefiles.com to make sure everything looks correct. And now you can use the JSON or JSON file in websites, mobile apps, or even in design tools like Figma. Developers love Lottie because it's lightweight and loads much faster than videos or GIF animations. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel, and if you got a question, just drop it in the comments below.